Hi everyone, so I wanted to jump on really quick and share with you a plant haul that I have yet again did. And I'm telling y'all, after this plant haul, I am so serious. You will probably not see any more videos from me dealing with plant hauls because I am starting to think either I'm losing my mind or I have lost it. I continue to bring in plants and start seed like I have a nursery back here, and I've pretty much made this back a nursery. I'm almost to the point where I'm about to open up my back gate and say it's a plant sale. So let me share with you really quickly what we got over the last 2 days because we've been getting rain and there's been a nice overcast. So I want to get as much planted today and tomorrow as I can so that we can get some of that good rain to get these roots established. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Okay, so the reason why I just kind of was browsing is because I did a walk through the garden and some plants just look like they're struggling. They don't look like they're doing very good. So I wanted to just kind of look for some replacement plants. And I went to one of the local nurseries, locally owned nurseries that's about 45 minutes away because I remember visiting them a few months ago for sweet potato slips and they did have it, but I totally got something totally different. So I went back to them today because their plants really, you could tell they really take care of their plants. So I bought some more yellow canary tomatoes. If you guys have not tried this, give it a try. These are so good. And it's a determinate tomato. So that means it basically pushes its fruit all at one time. And once it's done, you know, is pretty much done. So that's why succession planning, which I'm trying to start doing, is important because when you have those type of vegetables that do that, you want to keep succession planning so that you can have a continuous crop. So I picked up 2 of these to go in the patio planter. And I also got some lunchbox orange peppers, and I don't know why I picked this up, simply because I don't know. Because I grew these last year and I got seeds. I just didn't plant them. And then I wanted to try this tomato right here. This is a heirloom tomato. It's called Black Prince. So I wanted to try that and see what it tastes like. So that's the vegetable portion of our shopping haul. And like I said, excuse all of this in the background, y'all. I've got to get busy because it's starting to get out of control. Okay, so we'll start in the front, and this is the 2 purple plants are a purple purple scaviola, and I just love this color. Y'all know purple is my favorite, my absolute favorite color flower, followed by pink. But I'm starting to like white flowers a lot because they really make things pop. They look nice and crisp. So I got 2 of those because my thought process was to do a group planting. So I also got, this is a new kind of vinca that I haven't seen. If you remember some of my videos last year, I grew vincas and kind of a ombre effect, but they got close to between like 18 to 24 inches tall. But the vinca bloom is a lot smaller, so I thought I would put this one in the middle of the pink and purple ones and have these white. This is an obedient plant. I bought 3 of those, and I saw so many bees around these plants that I just absolutely had to have it because I knew they would be great pollinators for the garden. And the bees were like, even when I put them on my cart, the bees were still in these blooms right here. So I was thinking, okay, you got to come out because you can't be in the car with me on the ride home because I'm not about to be swatting bees. But it was just so many bees. And this obedient plant reminds me of a mini foxglove for some odd reason, but it's an obedient plant, but it reminds me of that. And it does not get as tall. I think it gets about it's a perennial also. The other 3 are annuals. This gets about 12 to 18 inches tall, and you have to plant them between 12 to 15 inches apart. And I'll make sure that I link my how to read a plant tag video, because those things are important. But I just love the blooms on these. So we got 3 of those, and then let me show you real quick what I got for on the dead and dying rack. That's what I call it. We got these Angelonias, and this is the pink and the white, and they were $5 for the whole tray. Now ask me what I'm gonna do with each tray. I have no clue, because I picked up, and I'll show you real quick. Let me walk out here. I picked up really quick, this was a few weeks ago, 2 clearance Angelonias, and they were about 90 cents each, and they are coming back so pretty. But these were the purple ones. So these were like one of my clearance finds, and they're starting to get blooms, and they're coming back really pretty. So that's why I picked that up. But like I said, I have no idea where it is going. And like I said, I've been planting seeds. I have this is the piccolini cucumbers right here. I'm gonna let them trail up. I also planted some sunflowers, and let me go back up so I can show you the flat that I have planted. Okay, so I planted a flat of flowers for my cut flowers. We have some amaranth, celosia, purple basil, zinnias, cosmos, I want to say trailing nasturtium. I have it all written down, but see, that's what I'm saying, y'all. Like, it's too much, and I should be ashamed. So that's why I'm telling you, okay, this is going to be the last plant haul for a while. I'm either going to plant seeds, because I got so many flower and vegetable seeds, and I'm just going to be still until the fall comes, because for here in coastal Georgia, to be honest, the fall is when our plants really start to shine, because that hot weather is kind of calming down. And we also have a few more seeds that I started in these little cups here. I'm surprised these chives actually came up. These were the garlic chives and the onion chives, because I remember knocking them over and I thought surely they're not going to come up. And then I also have this is the sugar baby watermelon that should be in the ground, but like I said, I really need to check myself. So thank you guys so much. Definitely hold me accountable. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you share this video with your family and your friends. And if you're not a subscriber, we will absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time that we upload a video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye-bye. I'm really about to get busy, y'all. Talk to you soon.